He's fucking looking up at fucking absolutely nothing. Millie, what's wrong? What you looking at? Huh? What you looking at? What are you looking at, baby? Huh? What you looking at? What the fuck? What are you looking at? There's like nothing over there. I don't know what she's looking at. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What do you do? What do you see? Huh? What do you see? What do you see up there, huh? What do you see up there? Millie. Millie. Come on, hey. What do you see? She's like saw it earlier and... Oh shit, it's like she got attacked. Millie, chill out. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? What's wrong? Millie, hey, get down off the cage. Get off the cage. Oh, get off the cage. Oh, God. Damn it. Okay, damn it. What's wrong? What is wrong with you? She's never done this before. Millie, stop it. Hey, what is your problem? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What is your problem, huh? What the fuck the problem was? Millie, what's your problem? No. Stay down. What's your problem? Huh? What's wrong? I'm gonna stop.